Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me take you on a little journey through a lip product that promises to deliver both hydration and bold color. If you're a fan of that perfect balance between a balm and a lipstick, the Kiko Milano Hydra Shiny Lip Stylo in the stunning 08 Cherry Red might just be the one for you. This lip product is designed to give you a satin finish while moisturizing your lips, and it does it all with a beautiful, radiant shine. When we talk about the Kiko Milano Hydra Shiny Lip Stylo, it's all about comfort and performance. The product comes in a sleek stick form, making it easy to apply on the go. It's a hybrid, half balm, half lipstick. The goal? To give you that smooth, nourished feel with the bold color payoff of a high-end lipstick. You're looking at a texture that glides effortlessly across your lips, and the formula promises hydration that doesn't just sit on your lips, but sinks in to soften them. Now, I've been using this for a few days, and it's been a pleasant experience. The application is smooth, no tugging or dragging, which is a big win for me. One swipe gives you a beautiful, rich color that doesn't feel heavy, which I think is a huge plus. The finish is satin, radiant but not glossy, which I love because it feels a little more sophisticated without being too matte. Throughout the day, my lips felt softer, almost as if I had been wearing a balm rather than a full-on lipstick. When we talk about wearability, I did notice that the color didn't last as long as some other matte or long-wear lipsticks. But considering the moisturizing benefits, I'm not complaining. It's more of a touch-up product, perfect for those days when you want a pop of color without the heavy feel of long-lasting lipsticks. As far as the pros go, the texture is what stands out the most. It's incredibly smooth, and the moisturizing properties are top-notch. You can feel the balm-like comfort, and my lips didn't dry out as the day went on, which is a major plus for anyone with dry lips. The shade 08 Cherry Red is rich and vibrant, which makes it versatile for both day and night looks. On the downside, the longevity might not be for everyone. If you need something that stays in place for hours without touch-ups, this might not be the best option for you. But if you love reapplying throughout the day, then you're golden. Also, the price might be a little high if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but you're paying for the Kiko Milano quality and the formula. When it comes to value for money, I think it's fair to say that you're paying for both the performance and the comfort. It doesn't quite last as long as some other lipsticks on the market, but the hydration is a nice touch, and the formula is definitely a treat for your lips. If you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other moisturizing lipsticks out there, but this one definitely stands out because of its balance between comfort and color payoff. For something more budget-friendly, you could look into brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which offer similar hydration with a bit more staying power, though they might not give the same radiant finish. In the end, the Kiko Milano Hydra Shiny Lip Stylo is a great option for anyone looking to combine the ease of a balm with the color intensity of a lipstick. It's perfect for those who don't mind the occasional touch-up and want something that hydrates while delivering a pop of color. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.